The war in Ukraine and the West's retaliatory sanctions are weighing in investors. The London Stock Exchange says it's lost around $70 million from actions taken to isolate Russia. The exchange stopped trading its Russian listings and suspended products and services from customers inside the country. David Schwimmer is the chief executive of the London Stock Exchange Group. I understand, sir, that the sum involved, 60 million quid, 70 odd million dollars, it's not significant per se, but it's a totem, isn't it, of the difficulty now that the financial world faces cutting off Russia from the financial world?
Well, Richard, I would say there has been a lot of complexity associated with this. And as you say, for us, a pretty minimus amount, less than 1% of our total revenues. But a lot of work did have to go into it and getting it right, really for our customers, our members, for traders, investors around the world. And we not only did we have to address the sanctions with respect to companies listed on the London Stock Exchange, we also removed Russian securities from our FTSE Russell indices. And we also have a business called WorldCheck that is one of the leading providers of background check information, KYC, anti-money laundering, and sanctions individuals. And so we saw a big spike in the usage of that product, and have been the team there has been working around the clock to make sure that that has been up to date as the sanctions keep changing and getting added to.
If we look at the landscape, first of all, you've got within the UK, which of course is your home market, you've got the Bank of England saying that a recession is now looking likely. You've got markets in turmoil and falling sharply. How does that affect an exchange? I mean, obviously, if there's fewer trading, it's less fees, etc., etc. But a more difficult environment in the markets makes it more difficult for you too.
Well, I must say, to a certain extent, the London Stock Exchange Group is very well positioned in an environment like this and for markets like these. So just to give you a little bit of color on the London Stock Exchange Group, yes, of course, we have the London Stock Exchange and the equity trading associated with that. That's a very important but relatively small part of our business from a revenue perspective. Right. We are one of the world's leading financial markets infrastructure and data providers. And about 70%, 73%, in fact, of our revenues are on a recurring basis. And that recurring book is actually growing attractively. So the market volatility that we see in times like this doesn't have a meaningful impact on that part of the business. And then, as you suggested, in terms of our execution businesses, our trading venues, and those are in equities, fixed income, and foreign exchange. And then, of course, we also have LCH, our clearinghouse. Those businesses tend to benefit in times of volatility, in times of higher market activity levels.
I think back 20, 25 years ago when I started at CNN, and even before then, of course, at the other place. And, you know, the London Stock Exchange, there it was in its tower in London. And all the changes that have taken place over the next 20 odd years. What is it next change that you have to do? The quantum change that you believe is necessary for the group for it to be for the next 20 years?
Well, I would say we're working on that right now. At the beginning of last year, we closed on the acquisition of Refinitiv, a $27 billion acquisition. And that has been completely transformational for LSEG in terms of positioning us for the decades ahead. And just to give you a sense of what I mean by that, prior to last year, we were primarily a Europe-focused company with a European footprint. Today, we are truly global. We operate in over 70 countries around the world. We serve customers in over 190 countries around the world. Prior to last year, we were an important but niche provider of index data and fixed income analytics. Today, we are one of the world's leading providers, again, on a global basis of financial data and analytics. And then I should just also mention, prior to last year, our trading businesses were largely in equities and the London Stock Exchange, of course. And now we are one of the world's leading providers of execution venues in equities, fixed income, and foreign exchange. So pretty transformational for us. We are continuing to work on that integration, and the integration is going very, very well. But we have, as we've told our investors, a few more years of work to do, but making great progress.
And we'll talk as those years go through. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful.